Alright. Okay. Michael, I'm gonna look for something in here because I'm kind of hungry, okay?
Okay.
Red Bull. I like energy. I'm full of energy. Dr. Pepper.
How's it going in there?
Well, you got nothing in here, I'll tell you that.
Oh, whatever. Let me use it.
Oh, God. Oh, snack pack.
Who ate my snack pack?
God. Why isn't there ever anything to eat?